तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे आपका समय चाहिए. I need your time. I need your time. मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. अब सच बोलो. Now tell the truth. Now tell the truth. मुझे छुओ मत. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. इसे छुओ मत. Don't touch this. Don't touch this. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उन्हें और दिखाओ. Show them more. Show them more. तुम किस्मत वाले हो. You are lucky. You are lucky. आपको भी. You too. You too. अंधेरा हो रहा है. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. कितनी बुरी बात है. How terrible. How terrible. कितनी अपमान की बात है. How disgraceful. How disgraceful. कितनी फिजूल की बात है. How absurd. How absurd. उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he. How dare he. एक बार ही काफी था. Once was enough. Once was enough. लोग अजीब हैं. People are strange. People are strange. लाइन में लग जाओ. Get into the line. Get into the line. लोग भूखे मर रहे हैं. People are starving. People are starving. क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो. Tell them everything. Tell them everything. कितना प्यारा है. How lovely. How lovely. कितने दुख की बात है. How tragic. How tragic. कितना घटिया. How disgusting. How disgusting. क्या मुसीबत है. What a bother. What a bother. मैं डर गया था. I was scared. I was scared. अब चाहे जो हो जाए. Come what may. Come what may. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. कुछ खास नहीं. Nothing much. Nothing much. भरोसा रखो. Keep trust. Keep trust. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. पास आओ. Come close. Come close. तुरंत जाओ. Go immediately. Go immediately. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. दिल रखो. Have a heart. Have a heart. जगह खाली करो. Vacate the place. Vacate the place. जुबान पर काबू रखो. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. काफी बेहतर है. Much better. Much better. मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. आप नाराज हैं क्या? आर यू एंग्री? आर यू एंग्री? कृपया उत्तर दो। आंसर प्लीज। आंसर प्लीज। क्या हम शुरू करें? शुड वी बिगिन? शुड वी बिगिन? आप जा सकते हैं। यू कैन गो। यू कैन गो। मुझे अनुमति दें। अलाउ मी। अलाउ मी। अपना काम करो। डू योर वर्क। डू योर वर्क। पूरे मन से काम करो। वर्क होल हार्टेडली। वर्क होल हार्टेडली। विनम्रता से बात करें। स्पीक पोलाइटली। स्पीक पोलाइटली। सुधर जाओ। मेंड योर वेज। मेंड योर वेज। पर्दा करो। ड्रॉ अ कर्टन। ड्रॉ अ कर्टन। सावधानी से चलना है। वॉक केयरफुली। वॉक केयरफुली। बाद में जाना। गो लेटर। गो लेटर। मेरा हाथ छोड़ो। लेट गो ऑफ माई हैंड। लेट गो ऑफ माई हैंड। मुझे जाने दो। लेट मी गो। लेट मी गो। थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ। स्टे अ लिटिल लॉन्गर। स्टे अ लिटिल लॉन्गर। मैंने गलती की। आई मेड अ मिस्टेक। आई मेड अ मिस्टेक। तुम कुछ भी करो। यू डू एनीथिंग। यू डू एनीथिंग। मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। आई डोंट केयर। आई डोंट केयर। मम्मी मुझे डांटती है। मॉम स्कॉल्ड्स मी। मॉम स्कॉल्ड्स मी। यह कैसे मुमकिन है? हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल? हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल? क्या तुमने कोशिश की? हैव यू ट्राइड? हैव यू ट्राइड? यह मेरे लिए मुश्किल है। दिस इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी। दिस इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी। यह मेरे लिए आसान है। दिस इज ईजी फॉर मी। दिस इज ईजी फॉर मी। यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है। इट्स नॉट अ कप ऑफ टी फॉर यू। इट्स नॉट अ कप ऑफ टी फॉर यू। तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए। I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा। I will go myself. I will go myself. तुम खुद ही चले जाओ। You go yourself. You go yourself. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? कपड़े सुखा दो। Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना। Get me up at 5 o'clock. Get me up at 5 o'clock. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो। You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं। You are not reliable. You are not reliable. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो। Try at once. Try at once. बोल कर पढ़ो। Read out. Read out. समय पर आना। Come on time. Come on time. थोड़ी चाय ले आना। Get some tea. Get some tea. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. क्या हम खेल सकते हैं? Can we play? Can we play? बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. इसका दुरुपयोग ना करें. Don't misuse it. Don't misuse it. मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ. Just coming. Just coming. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. Or you can say never mind. Never mind. एक तरफ हटो. Move aside. Move aside. भाड़ में जाओ या नर्क में जाओ. Go to hell. Go to hell. जब हम गुस्सा होते हैं तब इसको यूज करते हैं. ध्यान रहे. Be careful. Be careful. मैं मजबूर हूँ. I am helpless. I am helpless. अच्छे से चबाओ. Chew well. Chew well. आपका स्वागत है. You are welcome. You are welcome. अपना सामान बांध लो. Pack your bags. Pack your bags. मेरी कमीज धो दो. Wash my shirt. Wash my shirt. बड़ों का आदर करो. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. समझ गए. Got it. Got it. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. कभी कभार. Hardly. Hardly. अभी नहीं. Not now. Not now. झगड़ा मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. अभी तुरंत. Right now. Right now. ड्राइविंग सीख लो. Learn driving. Learn driving. कचरा मत फैलाओ. Don't litter. Don't litter. बिस्तर लगा दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. Get ready. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. बोर्ड की तरफ देखो. Look at the board. Look at the board. भगवान का शुक्र है. Thank God. Thank God. यह भरा हुआ है. It's full. It's full. यह खाली है. It's empty. It's empty. आज कौन नहीं आया? Who is absent today? Who is absent today? पानी गरम कर दो. Heat the water. Heat the water. मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. मैं सब कुछ देखता हूँ. I observe everything. I observe everything. मुझसे मिलो. Meet me. Meet me. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? मेरी राय में. In my opinion. In my opinion. गाली मत दो. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. उसे अंदर भेजो. Send him in. Send him in. मैं तैयार हो रहा हूँ. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. तुम गिर जाओगे. You may fall down. You may fall down. तुम्हें सो जाना चाहिए. You should sleep. You should sleep. तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. You are lying. You are lying. मैं मजबूर हूँ. I am helpless. I am helpless. यह हानिकारक है. It's injurious. It's injurious. तुम शायद सही हो. You may be right. You may be right. वह अच्छी लड़की है. She is a good girl. She is a good girl. वह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. यह अच्छा है. It's good. It's good. कुछ भी तो नहीं. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. हमारा क्या? What about us? What about us? जरा यहाँ आना. Please come here. Please come here. इसमें वक्त लगेगा. It will take time. It will take time. उसे छोड़ो. Leave him. Leave him. अच्छा विचार है. Good idea. Good idea. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. बाद में याद दिलाना. Remind me later. Remind me later. तुम बहुत बातूनी हो. You are very talkative. You are very talkative. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? इसे मिटाओ. Erase it. Erase it. तुम इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking around for? What are you looking around for? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. कैसे कहूँ? How to say. How to say. किसे बताऊं? Who to tell. Who to tell. क्या बोलूं? What to speak. What to speak. कुछ बोलो. Speak something. Speak something. कुछ बताओ. Tell me something. Tell me something. कैसे बताऊं? How to tell. How to tell. मैं यहाँ हूँ. I am here. I am here. मैं भूखा हूँ. I am hungry. I am hungry. मैं प्यासा हूँ. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. मैं बीमार हूँ. I am sick. I am sick. मैं थका हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. मैं सहमत हूँ. I agree. I agree. मैं गुस्से में हूँ. I am in anger. I am in anger. मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. मुझे बोलना है. I have to speak. I have to speak. मुझे देखना है. I have to see. I have to see. मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Let me speak. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. मुझे बताने दो. Let me tell. Let me tell. तुम इसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? क्या आपको मालूम है? Do you know? Do you know? सब खत्म हो गया. It's all over. It's all over. मेरे साथ खड़े रहो. Stand by me. Stand by me. और कुछ दिखाओ. Show me something else. Show me something else. मुझे बुला लेना. Call me up. Call me up. मेरे अनुसार. According to me. According to me. आइसक्रीम मत खाओ. Don't eat ice cream. Don't eat ice cream. पानी मत पियो. Don't drink water. Don't drink water. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. आखिरकार हो गया. Finally it's done. Finally it's done. क्या तुम सही हो? Are you right? Are you right? ईश्वर की कृपा से. By God's grace. By God's grace. अपनी जगह पर बैठो. Take your seat. Take your seat. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. इसे मत छोड़ो। डोंट लीव इट। डोंट लीव इट। समय पर आना। कम ऑन टाइम। कम ऑन टाइम। तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वह नहा रहा है। He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. आप परेशान क्यों दिख रहे हो? Why are you looking upset? Why are you looking upset? उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं है। He is not reliable. He is not reliable. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ। I can't do anything. I can't do anything. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? हल्ला मत करो। Don't make noise. Don't make noise. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. इसे अपने पास रखो। Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. इसे बदल दो। Change it. Change it. सच बोलो। Speak the truth. Speak the truth. मैं सच कह रहा हूँ। I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. मैंने एक फैसला लिया है। I have made a decision. I have made a decision. समय पर आना। Be on time. Be on time. मेरा फ़ोन कहाँ है? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? किसी का फ़ोन आ रहा है। Someone is calling. Someone is calling. ठीक है, मैं समय पर आऊँगा। Okay, I'll be on the time. Okay, I'll be on the time. आप तैयार हो जाओ। You get ready. You get ready. मैं अभी खाना बनाती हूँ। I'll cook food right now. I'll cook food right now. क्या हुआ आपको? What happened to you? What happened to you? मैं कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I am asking something. I am asking something. वह हमें देख रहा है। He is looking at us. He is looking at us. इस बारे में ज़्यादा मत सोचो। Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. वह किस लिए था? What was that for? What was that for? तुम कैसे गए थे? How did you go? How did you go? वह कल आई थी। She came yesterday. She came yesterday. मैं नहीं गया था। I did not go. I did not go. क्या तुम गए थे? Did you go? Did you go? मैं कल उससे मिलने गया था। I went to meet her yesterday. I went to meet her yesterday. क्या वह आई थी? Did she come? Did she come? मैं कल गया था। I went yesterday. I went yesterday. मैंने नहीं पूछा। I did not ask. I did not ask. उसने मुझे बताया था। She told me. She told me. वह गई थी। She went. She went. क्या आप वहाँ गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? मैंने उससे पूछा था। I asked her. I asked her. उसने नहीं बताया। She did not tell. She did not tell. तुमने पूछा या नहीं? Did you ask or not? Did you ask or not? कल मैं लखनऊ गया था। I went to Lucknow yesterday. I went to Lucknow yesterday. मैं रास्ते में था. I was on the way. I was on the way. वह मेरे बगल में खड़ी थी. She was standing beside me. She was standing beside me. वह घर जा रहा था. He was going home. He was going home. वह मुझे बुला रही थी. She was calling me. She was calling me. मैं आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ देख रहा था. I was looking at you. I was looking at you. मैंने आपको सुना नहीं था. I did not hear you. I did not hear you. तुम आए नहीं थे. You did not come. You did not come. तुमने मुझे बुलाया नहीं था. You did not invite. You did not invite. मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं था. I did not think so. I did not think so. मैंने उसे रास्ते में देखा था. I saw him on the way. I saw him on the way. यह क्या है? What is this? What is this? शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. यह अच्छा है. It's good. It's good. कुछ भी तो नहीं. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. हमारा क्या? What about us? What about us? जरा यहाँ आना. Please come here. Please come here. इसमें वक्त लगेगा. It will take time. It will take time. उसे छोड़ो. Leave him. Leave him. अच्छा विचार है. Good idea. Good idea. बड़बड़ाओ मत. Don't mumble. Don't mumble. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. वह वापस आ रहा है. He is coming back. He is coming back. इसे यहाँ रखो. Put it here. Put it here. वह जल्दी आ जाएगा. He will come soon. He will come soon. मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very good. You are very good. यह तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. हमें जल्दी जाना है. We have to go soon. We have to go soon. मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ता हूँ. I study English. I study English. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. धीरे धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. Stay here. मैं सब कुछ देखता हूँ. I observe everything. I observe everything. यह मेरी किस्मत है. It is my fate. It is my fate. सोच समझकर जवाब देना. Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. यह मेहमानों के लिए है. This is for the guests. This is for the guests. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मुझे कॉल मत करो. Don't call me. Don't call me. सावधान. Be careful. Be careful. मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand. I can understand. तुम बहुत मासूम हो. You are so innocent. You are so innocent. 3 दिन से पानी नहीं आ रहा है. No water supply for 3 days. No water supply for 3 days. गाड़ी रोको. Stop the car. Stop the car. तुम बहुत पतले हो. You are so thin. You are so thin. यह कब और कैसे हुआ? How and when did it happen? How and when did it happen? वापस आओ. Come back. Come back. यह बेकार है. It's useless. It's useless. मेरे बाद दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. मैं चल नहीं सकता. I can't walk. I can't walk. यह कैसे हुआ? How did it happen? How did it happen? चलो छुपना छुपनी खेलते हैं. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. कुछ खास. Something special. Something special. इसे मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. आप मेरी मदद करो. Help me up. Help me up. खाली मत बैठो. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे. God bless you. God bless you. सीधे बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I always with you. I always with you. क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? बाहर मत खेलो. Don't play outside. Don't play outside. तुमने ऐसा जानबूझकर किया. You did this deliberately. You did this deliberately. वह एक जिद्दी बच्चा है. He is a stubborn child. He is a stubborn child. मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया. I tricked you. I tricked you. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to say anything. No need to say anything. मुझे रुलाओ मत. Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. इतना मेरे लिए काफ़ी है. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. मुझे छींकें आ रही हैं. I am sneezing. I am sneezing. मुझे रोज हिचकियां आती हैं. I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? भूलना मत. Don't forget. Don't forget. मैं हिल नहीं सकता. I can't move. I can't move. उसे ढूंढने दो. Let him find out. Let him find out. क्या खुशबू है. What a fragrance. What a fragrance. मैंने इसे अभी बनाया है. I just made it. I just made it. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे पता था. I knew it. I knew it. क्या वो चला गया? Has he gone? Has he gone? वो अब यहाँ नहीं है. He is no longer here. He is no longer here. यह एक लंबी कहानी है. It's a long story. It's a long story. बाद में मत पछताना. Don't regret later. Don't regret later. इतने कंजूस मत बनो. Don't be such a miser. Don't be such a miser. मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flowers. Don't pluck flowers. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. मेरा पेट आज खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. मैं पहले से ही तनावग्रस्त हूँ. I am already stressed. I am already stressed. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him in. Bring him in. ज़्यादा मत बोलो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरी सलाह मानो. Take my advice. Take my advice. बाहर कदम मत रखना. Don't step outside. Don't step outside. इसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. तुम कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are awesome. You are awesome. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. मैंने बहुत सफाई की. I cleared it up. I cleared it up. मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ और तुम? I am great and you? I am great and you? बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. अच्छा खाओ. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे माफ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. थोड़ी देर इंतज़ार करो. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. चलो घूमने चलें. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? यह हमारा कर्तव्य है. It's our duty. It's our duty. मेरा हाथ छोड़ो. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother. What a bother. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. आप जा सकते हैं. You can go. You can go. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. विनम्रता से बात करें. Speak politely. Speak politely. यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है. It's not a cup of tea for you. It's not a cup of tea for you. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उसकी इतनी हिम्मत? How dare he? How dare he? थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. आप नाराज हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. कितने दुख की बात है. How tragic. How tragic. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. जुबान पर काबू रखो. Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. मुंह मत बनाओ. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. भरोसा रखो. Keep trust. Keep trust. उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो. Tell them everything. Tell them everything. मैं सहमत हूँ. I agree. I agree. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ. I don't agree. I don't agree. मैं भी नहीं. Me neither. Me neither. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. टेल मी, और बताओ। टेल मी मोर, टेल मी मोर। आप सही कह रहे हैं। यू आर राइट, यू आर राइट। मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। आई डोंट थिंक सो, आई डोंट थिंक सो। देखेंगे, वी विल सी, वी विल सी। देखेंगे कैसे चलता है। वी विल सी हाउ थिंग्स सो, वी विल सी हाउ थिंग्स सो। मुझे यहाँ अच्छा लगता है। आई लाइक इट हियर, आई लाइक इट हियर। यहाँ आओ। कम हियर, कम हियर। ये मुश्किल है। दिस इज टफ, दिस इज टफ। कुछ चाहिए। नीड एनीथिंग, नीड एनीथिंग। मैं फौरन तुम्हारे पास वापस आऊंगा। आई विल बी राइट बैक, आई विल बी राइट बैक। चिंता मत करो। डोंट वरी, डोंट वरी। इसके लिए चिंता मत करो। डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। मुझे खेद है। आई एम सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी। मुझे माफ करना, मैं देर से आया। आई एम सॉरी आई वॉज लेट, आई एम सॉरी आई वॉज लेट। बहुत बढ़िया, गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब। मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए। आई नीड अ ब्रेक, आई नीड अ ब्रेक। मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू बेड, आई एम गोइंग टू बेड। मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ। आई एम गोइंग आउट, आई एम गोइंग आउट। मैं बाहर टहलने जा रहा हूँ। आई एम गोइंग आउट फॉर अ वॉक, आई एम गोइंग आउट फॉर अ वॉक। साथ चलना चाहते हो? Want to join me? Want to join me? 1 घंटे में वापस आ जाना। Be back in an hour, be back in an hour। आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा रहा। I had a great day, I had a great day। आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? डिनर में क्या है? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? कैसा चल रहा है? How is it going? How's it going? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I am proud of you, I am proud of you। किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? आज रात फिल्म देखना है। Want to watch a movie tonight? Want to watch a movie tonight? मुझे देर हो जाएगी। I'm gonna be late, I'm gonna be late। कार्यक्रम कैसा रहा? How did the event go? How did the event go? सब कुछ बताओ। Tell me everything, tell me everything। क्या इस हफ्ते लंच के लिए फ्री हो? Are you free for lunch this week? Are you free for lunch this week? हमें जल्द ही इकट्ठा होना चाहिए। We should get together soon, we should get together soon। कुछ चाहिए हो तो मुझे बताना। Let me know if you need anything, let me know if you need anything। आओ मैं तुम्हें उससे मिलवाता हूँ। Let me introduce you to her. Let me introduce you her. जल्द ही बात करते हैं। Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. शुभ रात्रि। Have a good night. Have a good night. अपना ध्यान रखना। Take care. Take care. कपड़े पहन लो। Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. बिस्तर से निकलो। Get out of bed. Get out of bed. अपना बिस्तर सही कर दो। Make your bed. Make your bed. अपने जूतों के फीते बांधो। Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. कपड़े बदल लो। Change your clothes. Change your clothes. कहानी सुनाओ। Tell a story. Tell a story. Lights बंद करो। Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. उसे बोलने दो। Let her speak. Let her speak. इसे सही करो। Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी करो। Do it now. Do it now. मैं सो रहा हूँ। I am sleeping. I am sleeping. वह बहुत अच्छा है। He is very nice. He is very nice. इसे ले लो। Take it. Take it. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are very good. You are very good. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? हमें यह चाहिए। We need this. We need this. मुझे यह चाहिए। I want this. I want this. इसे ध्यान से करो। Do it carefully. Do it carefully. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? मुझे यह पसंद है। I like this. I like this. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे समझ नहीं आया। I didn't understand. I didn't understand. इसे मेरे पास रखो। Keep it with me. Keep it with me. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? यह बहुत अच्छा है। This is very good. This is very good. उसे बताओ। Tell him. Tell him. इसे नीचे रखो। Put it down. Put it down. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? मुझे यह पसंद है। I like this. I like this. हमें इंतज़ार करना है। We have to wait. We have to wait. वह काम कर रहा है। He is working. He is working. मुझे मत बताओ। Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मुझे यह चाहिए। I need this. I need this. इसे ठीक करो। Fix this. Fix this. यह सही है। This is right. This is right. मुझे कुछ बताओ। Tell me something. Tell me something. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? हमें यह करना है। We have to do this. We have to do this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are very nice. You are very nice. उसे वापस बुलाओ। Call him back. Call him back. मुझे समय चाहिए। I need time. I need time. इसे तुरंत करो। Do it immediately. Do it immediately. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is she here? Is she here? उसे बोलने दो। Let him talk. Let him talk. वह पढ़ रहा है। He is studying. He is studying. मुझे अभी चाहिए। I need it now. I need it now. हमें जाना होगा। We have to go. We will have to go. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? इसे मेरे पास लाओ। Bring it to me. Bring it to me. हमें समय चाहिए। We need time. We need time. तुम गलत हो। You are wrong. You are wrong. इसे बंद करो। Turn it off. Turn it off. वह बहुत अच्छा है। He is very good. He is very good. हमें जाना है। We have to go. We have to go. यह मुश्किल है। This is difficult. This is difficult. मुझे वह पसंद है। I like that. I like that. यह आसान है। This is easy. This is easy. क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? इसे वहीं रखो। Keep it there. Keep it there. वह कहाँ है? Where is she? Where is she? हमें जल्दी करना है। We have to hurry. We have to hurry. मुझे बुलाओ। Call me. Call me. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? इसे ठीक करो। Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी ले लो। Take it now. Take it now. मुझे और चाहिए। I need more. I need more. वह यहाँ नहीं है। He is not here. He is not here. यह बहुत अच्छा है। This is very good. This is very good. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? इसे बाद में करो। Do it later. Do it later. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए। I need your help. I need your help. हमें उसे बुलाना है। We have to call him. We have to call him. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना। Do me a favor. Do me a favor. तमीज से बात करो। Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मुझे वहां ले चलो। Take me there. Take me there. मुझे घर ले चलो। Take me home. Take me home. आगे आगे चलो। Walk ahead. Walk ahead. मैं जा रहा हूँ। I am leaving. I am leaving. संभल के। Watch out. Watch out. ये सब आपका है। It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो। Stop working. Stop working. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please get in. Please get in. यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा. I will go myself. I will go myself. तुम खुद ही चले जाओ. You go yourself. You go yourself. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना. Get me up at 5 o'clock. Get me up at 5 o'clock. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable. You are not reliable. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. बोल कर पढ़ो. Read out. Read out. समय पर आना. Come on time. Come on time. थोड़ी चाय ले आना. Get some tea. Get some tea. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. क्या हम खेल सकते हैं? Can we play? Can we play? बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझे वहां ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. आगे आगे चलो. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. ये सब आपका है. It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो. Stop working. Stop working. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. मुझे बुरा लग रहा है. I feel bad. I feel bad. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? गुस्सा मत हो. Don't get angry. Don't get angry. तुम्हारी क्या समस्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. तुम मुझे गलत समझ रहे हो. You are misunderstanding me. You are misunderstanding me. यह सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. This sounds good. This sounds good. मुझे आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. उसे बोलने दो. Let her speak. Let her speak. इसे सही करो. Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. मैं सो रहा हूँ. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very nice. He is very nice. इसे ले लो. Take it. Take it. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very good. You are very good. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? हमें यह चाहिए. We need this. We need this. मुझे यह चाहिए. I want this. I want this. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. इसे मेरे पास रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. उसे बताओ. Tell him. Tell him. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? मुझे यह पसंद है. I like this. I like this. हमें इंतज़ार करना है. We have to wait. We have to wait. वह काम कर रहा है. He is working. He is working. मुझे मत बताओ. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मुझे यह चाहिए. I need this. I need this. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. यह सही है. This is right. This is right. मुझे कुछ बताओ. Tell me something. Tell me something. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? हमें यह करना है. We have to do this. We have to do this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. उसे वापस बुलाओ. Call him back. Call him back. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. इसे तुरंत करो. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is she here? Is she here? उसे बोलने दो. Let him talk. Let him talk. वह पढ़ रहा है. He is studying. He is studying. मुझे अभी चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. हमें जाना होगा. We have to go. We will have to go. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. हमें समय चाहिए. We need time. We need time. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. वह बहुत अच्छा है. He is very good. He is very good. हमें जाना है. We have to go. We have to go. यह मुश्किल है. This is difficult. This is difficult. मुझे वह पसंद है. I like that. I like that. यह आसान है. This is easy. This is easy. क्या तुम समझे? Did you understand? Did you understand? इसे वहीं रखो. Keep it there. Keep it there. वह कहाँ है? Where is she? Where is she? हमें जल्दी करना है. We have to hurry. We have to hurry. मुझे बुलाओ. Call me. Call me. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? इसे ठीक करो. Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी ले लो. Take it now. Take it now. मुझे और चाहिए. I need more. I need more. वह यहाँ नहीं है. He is not here. He is not here. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? ज़्यादा होशियार मत बनो. Don't be too smart. Don't be too smart. यह बहुत आसान है. It's very easy. It's very easy. आप सीख जाओगे. You will learn. You will learn. बहुत देर हो गई है. It's too late. It's too late. क्या मैं आपकी मदद करूं? Can I give you a hand? Can I give you a hand? क्या हम चैट कर सकते हैं? Can we chat? Can we chat? मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. वह अब नहीं रही. She is no more. She is no more. नाना जी अब नहीं रहे. Grandpa is no more. Grandpa is no more. मैं आपका सम्मान करता हूँ. I respect you. I respect you. कृपया मुझे क्षमा कर दीजिए. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. खुद पर विश्वास करो. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. जोर से बोलिए. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. आगे देखो. Look ahead. Look ahead. पीछे देखो. Look back. Look back. मेरे बाद दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. मैं आपकी प्रतीक्षा करूंगा. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. आप वहीं ठहरना. You stay there. You stay there. आपको कौन सा पसंद है? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? मुझे तो यह वाला पसंद है. I like this one. I like this one. सावधान रहो. Be careful. Be careful. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am with you. I am with you. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूँ. I am bigger than you. I am bigger than you. मैं इसे कल करूँगा. I will do it tomorrow. I will do it tomorrow. हमारे कई अच्छे दोस्त हैं. We have many good friends. We have many good friends. चलो पार्क में चलते हैं. Come on, let's go to the park. Come on, let's go to the park. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं कहना है. I don't have anything to say. I don't have anything to say. मेरा एक बड़ा परिवार है. I have a big family. I have a big family. वह मुझसे नाराज है. He is angry with me. He is angry with me. मैं जाना चाहूँगा. I would like to go. I would like to go. मुझे प्यास लगी है. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. बाद में मिलते हैं. See you later. See you later. यह आपका काम नहीं है. This is not your job. This is not your job. मेरे पास एक कार है. I have a car. I have a car. कृपया दरवाजा बंद करें. Please close the door. Please close the door. तुम हमेशा मुझे देर करवाते हो. You always make me late. You always make me late. आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to become? What do you want to become? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? आपका पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? कुछ बड़ा करने की सोचो. Think of doing something big. Think of doing something big. मेरा पसंदीदा दिन रविवार है. My favorite day is Sunday. My favorite day is Sunday. वह बहुत अच्छा गा सकती है. She can sing very well. She can sing very well. वह उसे बहुत पसंद करता है. He likes her very much. He likes her very much. आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रही हैं. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. रोज नई चीज सीखो. Learn something new every day. Learn something new every day. आप कौन सी भाषा बोलते हैं? Which language do you speak? Which language do you speak? आज आप कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? क्या आपको मेरे बाल पसंद हैं? Do you like my hair? Do you like my hair? मुझे इस बारे में पहले से ही पता था. I already knew about this. I already knew about this. क्या आप डांस करना चाहोगे? Would you like to dance? Would you like to dance? आज मेरा दिन खराब था. I had a bad day today. I had a bad day today. मुझे मजबूर मत करो. Don't compel me. Don't compel me. आपके बगल में कौन था? Who was next to you? Who was next to you? आप अजीब व्यवहार कर रहे हैं. You are acting weird. You are acting weird. उसका मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't mock him. Don't mock him. मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. I can't do so. I can't do so. मुझे यकीन नहीं था. I was not sure. I was not sure. यह मेरे लिए नहीं है. That's not for me. That's not for me. ईश्वर पर अपना विश्वास बनाए रखें. Keep your faith in God. Keep your faith in God. तुमने यह बड़ी चतुराई से किया. You did it tactfully. You did it tactfully. इसे समय पर छोड़ दो. Leave it on time. Leave it on time. म्यूजिक धीमा कर दो. Turn the music down. Turn the music down. आप मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. यह मुश्किल नहीं है. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. चलो खत्म करते हैं. Let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. हम यहीं फंस गए हैं. We are stuck here. We are stuck here. मुझे समय का ध्यान ही नहीं रहा. I lost track of time. I lost track of time. यह मेरी शराफत है. It's my decency. It's my decency. अपना गुस्सा थूक दो. Spit out your anger. Spit out your anger. अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. It's now or never. It's now or never. यह किसका मोबाइल है? Whose mobile is this? Whose mobile is this? यह मेरा मोबाइल है. It's my mobile. It's my mobile. यह मोबाइल मेरा है. This mobile is mine. This mobile is mine. मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है. I have bad luck. I have bad luck. मुझे उससे मिलना है। I must meet him. I must meet him. क्या तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? Are not you ashamed? Are not you ashamed? बहुत देर हो चुकी है। It's so late. It's so late. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? यह तुम्हारे लिए है। This is for you. This is for you. यह मेरे लिए है। This is for me. This is for me. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your study. Concentrate on your study. वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. तुम अपनी माँ जैसी दिखती हो। You look like your mother. You look like your mother. इतना मत हंसो। Don't laugh so much. Don't laugh so much. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Have you tried? Have you tried? अपने काम से काम रखो। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. किसी पर भरोसा मत करो। Don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone. मेरी तरफ मत देखो। Don't look at me. Don't look at me. मुझे वापस कॉल करो। Call me back. Call me back. आपका मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? सबको अंदर ले जाओ। Get everyone inside. Get everyone inside. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? वह कौन है? Who is that? Who is that? तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? कोई परेशानी? Any problem? Any problem? कहाँ जाना है? Where to go? Where to go? इसे वापस रख दो। Keep it back. Keep it back. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? बाहर जाओ। Go outside. Go outside. तुम क्यों खड़े हो? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? मैं ठीक हूँ। I am fine. I am fine. इसे जारी रखो। Keep it up. Keep it up. मेरे पास आओ। Come close to me. Come close to me. सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. चलो वापस चलें। Let's go back. Let's go back. यह किताब पढ़ो। Read this book. Read this book. फोन बज रहा है। Phone is ringing. Phone is ringing. पता नहीं चला। Don't realize. Don't realize. अचानक सब रुका। Suddenly everything stopped. Suddenly everything stopped. दीवार पर टंगी है। It's hang on the wall. It's hang on the wall. कमरा साफ है। Room is clean. Room is clean. मौसम अच्छा है। Weather is nice. Weather is nice. बात मत करो, डोंट टॉक, डोंट टॉक। नोट लिख लो, टेक अ नोट, टेक अ नोट। यह मत भूलो, डोंट फॉरगेट दिस, डोंट फॉरगेट दिस। पैसे गिन लो, काउंट द मनी, काउंट द मनी। सब चेक कर लो, चेक एवरीथिंग, चेक एवरीथिंग। सीट बेल्ट बांधो, बकल अप, बकल अप। चाय पी लो, हैव सम टी, हैव सम टी। चाबियां मत भूलना, डोंट फॉरगेट द कीज, डोंट फॉरगेट द कीज। बिल्ली खा रही है, द कैट इज ईटिंग, द कैट इज ईटिंग। कुत्ता बाहर है, द डॉग इज आउटसाइड, द डॉग इज आउटसाइड। मैं दवाई ले रहा, आई एम टेकिंग मेडिसिन, आई एम टेकिंग मेडिसिन। बाजार बंद है, द मार्केट इज क्लोज्ड, द मार्केट इज क्लोज्ड। अलार्म बज रहा है, द अलार्म इज रिंगिंग, द अलार्म इज रिंगिंग। मुझे ठंड लग रही है, आई एम फीलिंग कोल्ड, आई एम फीलिंग कोल्ड। रोटी बना लो, मेक सम रोटीज, मेक सम रोटीज। मोबाइल चार्ज करो, चार्ज द मोबाइल, चार्ज द मोबाइल। किताबें रख दो, पुट अवे द बुक्स, पुट अवे द बुक्स। पानी उबाल दो, बॉयल द वाटर, बॉयल द वाटर। बच्चे सो रहे हैं, द चिल्ड्रन आर स्लीपिंग, द चिल्ड्रन आर स्लीपिंग। दरवाजा बंद कर दो, क्लोज द डोर, क्लोज द डोर। लाइट जलाना मत भूलो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू टर्न ऑन द लाइट, डोंट फॉरगेट टू टर्न ऑन द लाइट। ध्यान से चलो, वॉक केयरफुली, वॉक केयरफुली। खिड़की खोल दो, ओपन द विंडो, ओपन द विंडो। तुम्हारी बारी है, इट्स योर टर्न, इट्स योर टर्न। अखबार पढ़ लो, रीड द न्यूज़पेपर, रीड द न्यूज़पेपर। जल्दी करो, देर हो रही है, हरी अप, इट्स गेटिंग लेट, हरी अप, इट्स गेटिंग लेट। सूरज निकल आया है, द सन हैज राइजन, द सन हैज राइजन। चाय तैयार है, द टी इज रेडी, द टी इज रेडी। मुझे याद नहीं है, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर। सब ठीक है, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। आज क्या पकाऊं, वट शुड आई कुक टुडे, वट शुड आई कुक टुडे। मुझे वह पसंद है, आई लाइक दैट, आई लाइक दैट। खाना तैयार है, फूड इज रेडी, फूड इज रेडी। किताबें वापस कर दो, रिटर्न द बुक्स, रिटर्न द बुक्स। कॉफी गर्म है, कॉफी इज हॉट, कॉफी इज हॉट। मैं अभी आया, आई जस्ट केम, आई जस्ट केम। रास्ता बंद है, रोड इज क्लोज्ड, रोड इज क्लोज्ड। चाबी यहाँ रखो, कीप द की हियर, कीप द की हियर। बिल्ली भाग गई, कैट हैज रन अवे, कैट हैज रन अवे। बटन दबाओ अभी, प्रेस द बटन नाउ, प्रेस द बटन नाउ। छत पर जाओ, गो टू द रूफ, गो टू द रूफ। मुझे भूख लगी, आई एम हंग्री, आई एम हंग्री। चलो खाना खाएं, लेट्स ईट फूड, लेट्स ईट फूड। मैंने तुम्हें देखा, आई सॉ यू, आई सॉ यू। आवाज कम करो, लोवर द वॉल्यूम, लोवर द वॉल्यूम। सड़क पार करो, क्रॉस द रोड, क्रॉस द रोड। समय बर्बाद मत करो, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम। चलो तैयार हो जाओ, लेट्स गेट रेडी, Let's get ready. खिड़की खोल दो. Open the window. Open the window. बस यहीं रुको. Stop right here. Stop right here. मैंने सुना नहीं. I didn't hear. I didn't hear. बच के. Watch out. Watch out. इसे आजमाओ. Try this. Try this. यह मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. चलो चलें. Let's walk. Let's walk. यह बहुत ठंडा है. It's very cold. It's very cold. यह गर्म है. It's hot. It's hot. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. I am fine. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. फोन करो. Make a call. Make a call. फोन मत करो. Don't call. Don't call. तस्वीर लो. Take a picture. Take a picture. तस्वीर मत लो. Don't take a picture. Don't take a picture. वीडियो बनाओ. Make a video. Make a video. यह रास्ता नहीं है. This is not the way. This is not the way. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. इसे खोलो. Open this. Open this. इसे बंद करो. Close this. Close this. इसे ठीक करो. Fix this. Fix this. इसे मत ठीक करो. Don't fix this. Don't fix this. यह तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. यह मेरा नहीं है. This is not mine. This is not mine. अब समय नहीं है. There is no time now. There is no time now. दरवाजा खोल दो अभी. Open the door now. Open the door now. पानी गिर गया है. Water has spilled. Water has spilled. लाइट बंद कर दो. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. धीरे बोलो. Speak softly. Speak softly. तेज बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो. Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. चाबी कहाँ है? Where is the key? Where is the key? पानी पियो. Drink water. Drink water. बिल कितना है? How much is the bill? How much is the bill? मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. फिर से कहो. Say it again. Say it again. यह बहुत महंगा है. This is too expensive. This is too expensive. रास्ता बताओ. Show the way. Show the way. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. किताबें कहाँ हैं? Where are the books? Where are the books? इसे साफ करो. Clean this. Clean this. अभी रुको. Stop now. Stop now. आगे बढ़ो. Move forward. Move forward. पीछे हटो. Move back. Move back. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. इंतजार करो. Wait. Wait. क्या तुम किसी का इंतजार कर रहे हो? Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? हाँ, मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I am waiting. Yes, I am waiting. बहुत देर हो गई है. It's too late. It's too late. वह अभी तक नहीं आई. She has not come yet. She has not come yet. मैं और इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. मुझे इंतजार करने से नफरत है. I hate waiting. I hate waiting. उसे समय पर आना चाहिए. He should come on time. He should come on time. मुझे ऐसे लोग पसंद नहीं. I don't like such people. I don't like such people. समय की कद्र करनी चाहिए. Time should be valued. Time should be valued. मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. I am getting bored. I am getting bored. यह तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. This is not good for you. This is not good for you. अपनी उम्र का लिहाज करो. Consider your age. Consider your age. बड़ों का आदर करो. Respect elders. Respect elders. बड़ों की मदद करो. Help elders. Help elders. अपना काम लगन से करो. Do your work diligently. Do your work diligently. एक दिन तुम सफल हो जाओगे. One day you will succeed. One day you will succeed. अपने इरादे साफ रखो. Keep your intentions clear. Keep your intentions clear. किसी को दुख मत दो. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. जो तुम करोगे वही तुम पाओगे. You will get what you do. You will get what you do. इसलिए अच्छा सोचो. So think carefully. So think carefully. अच्छा करो. Do good. Do good. और तुम्हारे साथ भी अच्छा होगा. And it will be good for you too. And it will be good for you too. भगवान का धन्यवाद करो. Thank God. Thank God. भगवान ने मुझे सब कुछ दिया. God gave me everything. God gave me everything. उसने मुझे आंख मारी. He winked at me. He winked at me. मैंने उसे थप्पड़ मारा. I slapped him. I slapped him. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are very rude. You are very rude. क्या तुम्हें तमीज नहीं है? Don't you have manners? Don't you have manners? जरा चुप हो जाओ. Please shut up. Please shut up. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. तुम्हारी क्या इच्छा है? What do you want? What do you want? जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. As you like. As you like. तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go out. I want to go out. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you nuts? Are you nuts? Or you can say, are you crazy? Are you crazy? इसे ऐसे नहीं करते. Don't do it that way. Don't do it that way. इसे इस तरीके से करो. Do it this way. Do it this way. आपने सही कहा. You said it right. You said it right. मुझे अपना ध्यान रखना चाहिए. I should take care of myself. I should take care of myself.